High volume.
Video from us in a while, but we're back. Thank you, Level 8, for sponsoring this portion of our video.
Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for.
If you're a frequent traveler and you definitely love the aesthetics of an amazing suitcase, this is the suitcase for you. Level 8, a high-end American luggage brand that caters to your beautiful needs of traveling. Now, since you know, Dre is the overpacker, so he decided to get the Agent suitcase, which has this durable polycarbonate material, resists scratches, scuffs, and dings. And with all the sneakers that he carries when we go on vacation, yeah, I think he needs this one. This is the reason why Dre picked this suitcase, because it is a dual TSA approved zipperless lock. It has a state-of-the-art lock technology to safeguard everything inside your suitcase. I decided to go with the luminous textured suitcase, which is rugged yet refined and extremely light. It's surprising. For myself, I went for the typical suitcase with the zippers. I'll leave Dre to the new designs. With this having a stylish matte finish, the style of it is timeless with this minimalist design. Make sure you purchase yours today and use the code Dre and Chant 10 to get 10% off your purchase. So if you're looking for a great suitcase, Level 8 is the way to go. Thanks, Level 8, for sponsoring this video. And guys, if you are looking to get your own suitcase, click the link in the description below. Use the code Dre and Chant to get your 10% off of your new suitcase. Make it your best friend, your new travel buddy. Now, I said I'll call you right back. So at this point, I got the honey. Look at this face. He be cutting up. Don't pay with him. Next. This one. Thank you.
I'm having
So what's all right?
Over here. And he's like, yo, you should go check the game out. I said, yeah, we probably go over there.
What's that?
The game.
What's that?
The game. The arcade.
Oh, okay.
What you think, man?
What?
You in there, yeah. I think you're going to enjoy recording with this.
I'm not trying to show you your drone. You had no behavior. We just left this restaurant. Yeah, obviously we had a good time. Baby, 4 lemon drops total. 2 shots, 2 appetizers, and 2 entrees, of which we only ate 1 entire appetizer.
Showroom dumplings was it.
It was.
A little spicy too.
But here's the kicker. Tell me why our bill was $280.
Oh shit.
What you left?
Black bag. Did I bring it?
Yeah, better. I'm going to the house. $280. Because your crazy brother over there. Your boy. I'm going home. And this hallway seems so long. No. All right, so good morning, y'all. We are actually at South Park Mall trying to grab something before we go to this barbecue today. I'm just gonna say, last night was somewhat of a blur because this one decided he wanted to do all these Don Julio shots. So with that being said,
Gotta go pick up the bottle.
not go pick up a bottle. Let's get in this mall and get the hell out this mall ASAP. I'll see you guys in a few. All right, so never came back yesterday to say what we was doing. We went to a friend's house, and out of respect for her personal, I do not record at anyone else's house. So we went over there and had like an end of summer barbecue, and got home late. So now we're up about to have brunch with a couple of friends at Expectation, and hopefully it's like the one we went to in Maryland. That was in Maryland we went to, right? Or DC? That was so long ago, so I do remember going there, but I don't know how it was at the time. I don't remember how it was, but I remember it was good.
I remember.
So we're hoping that this one is going to give the same experience. But the problem with over here is, what I noticed is, there's no real good parking. I'm going to show you. The parking over here is so congested and cramped. And it goes around the corner that way, and then all the way around there, which is residential. And baby, this parking spot opened up now twice. These two opened up twice.
I'm scared to move.
And next thing you know, you be AO. So, the wait right now is approximately 30 minutes, she said. So, we've been outside for who? How?
Stand right there.
I'm not standing in no parking spot. What the hell I look like standing in a parking spot? He want me to stand in a parking spot to hold the parking spot. She ain't doing it.
You know you be bullying sometimes.
I don't bully nobody unless I'm already going into the spot and they try to jump in the spot while I'm going into the spot. Okay, that's different. But anyway, let's let the countdown begin. I'm looking at my wrist like I got my watch on. Didn't put my watch on. So.
I can't even ask you what time they say. How long we gotta wait?
She said 30 minutes.
God.
But I don't. I didn't look at my time. So hopefully she put the phone number in correctly. That car sound crazy. Alright, so I'll see you when we get inside.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Absolutely.
like it, I guess.
Too ready.
Sunday off.
Mom will kick it off, right?
Right.
Expectation. We just left expectation.
What is that?
I say that so slow every time. Expectation. Right? And it was a good experience at this location. However, until it became a situation where they didn't cook my lamb chops. My lamb chops was, I say medium. It wasn't medium well. It was, honey. Yeah, that part. Now, the lamb chops we had at Pata was so good. The lamb chops we had here was lacking. Now, would I go back again? Absolutely. We definitely go back. But would I get lamb chops again? No. I'm not getting lamb chops again. I'll stick to the regular schmegala. But with that being said, we're about to run over to Target. I don't know why we do this every time we go somewhere. We got to run to Target after. I think I have a problem. Anywho, we're about to go to Target really quick, grab some essentials for the house, and get our butts in the house. I'm getting tired. As you saw, Dre ordered shots again. Well, just listen. When can we go out without doing shots? When can we go out? Tequila is always on the menu. Okay. So we had some tequila shots. We had some lemon drops. I think the best lemon drops we've had thus far, I want to say, was Pata. Pata was really good. Pata, Para, whichever way you want to call it. Their lemon drops was good. So let me get my butt into Target once you see him over there pumping gas. Once he gets back in the car, we're gonna head over to Target, and I may call you guys back. I'm not sure, but we'll see. All right, see you guys in a few.